Day 35 of Bible Bites, God gives instructions for cleansing from skin diseases, mildew in houses, and bodily discharges. These laws continue to teach Israel about holiness and separation. We're in Leviticus 14 to 15, Psalm 35, and Proverbs 8:12 to 21. Let's see how God provides cleansing and deliverance. Quick prayer. God, thank you for providing cleansing and protection. Help us seek your wisdom and trust your deliverance. Amen. Leviticus 14. Cleansing from skin diseases. The priest examines the person outside the camp. If healed, 2 birds are used, 1 killed, 1 released, after being dipped in blood and water. The person washes, shaves, and offers sacrifices, lambs, grain offering. Blood and oil are applied to the right ear, thumb, and big toe. Similar rules for cleansing houses with mildew. Stones removed, house scraped, and, if needed, torn down. Leviticus 15. Laws for bodily discharges, for men or women. A person with a discharge is unclean, and anything they touch becomes unclean. They must wash and wait 7 days after the discharge stops, then offer sacrifices for cleansing. Psalm 35. David's prayer for deliverance. Contend, Lord, with those who contend with me. Let them be like chaff before the wind. Say to my soul, I am your salvation. He praises God for rescuing the weak and promises to thank him publicly. Proverbs 8:12 to 21. Wisdom speaks. I, wisdom, dwell together with prudence. I love those who love me, and those who seek me find me. With me are riches and honor, enduring wealth and prosperity. My fruit is better than fine gold. I walk in the way of righteousness, along the paths of justice. These cleansing laws emphasize that uncleanness from disease or discharge separated people from the community and from worship. The rituals pointed to the need for cleansing and restoration. Psalm 35. Honest cry for justice and deliverance when enemies attack. Proverbs 8. Wisdom offers riches, honor, and prosperity to those who seek her. She walks in righteousness and justice. Real-life comparison. Cleansing rituals equals the importance of dealing with uncleanness in our lives, sin, toxic habits, bitterness, so we can be restored to community and worship. Psalm 35. Prayer equals crying out to God when we feel attacked or unjustly treated. He fights for us. Proverbs 8. Wisdom equals choosing wisdom over quick riches or status. It brings lasting honor and prosperity on righteous paths. Today, identify one area of uncleanness, sin, habit, bitterness, and take a step towards cleansing. When feeling attacked, pray Psalm 35. Ask God to contend for you. Seek wisdom today. Choose one righteous path over an easier one. What uncleanness do you need God's cleansing for today? Comment. God provides cleansing and calls us to holiness. Tomorrow, more laws about uncleanness and atonement. Subscribe, share. See you tomorrow.